This is the additional maths paper 2022 and it's question 17. So on this question, we're going to find the equation of the tangent. We're given the curve given at this point and we're finding it when x equals 1. So you can imagine the curve, it looks like so. If this, say, was 1, there's a tangent touching, there we go, really badly, touching straight across and going off into the distance. What we do now is that we have x is 1, so we can find out y by subbing in x equals 1 to find y. Yeah, so I'm just going to do it quickly. So 1 squared is 1, 1 times 1 is 4, 1 times 4 is 4, minus 6 plus 1, that gives me minus 1. So my coordinates there are 1 minus 1. The next thing I need to do is to basically find the gradient of that line. Now we do this by using differentiation. Differentiation finds the gradient of any point, okay? So we're going to do dy by dx. And remember, the power goes in front, so that gives me 8x and drops down by 1. And again, power goes in front, so it's just going to be that. Now we're finding it when x is equal to 1. So again, we're going to sub that in. So that's going to be 8 minus 6. So m is equal to 2. Now it's up to you at this point. I'm going to personally use y equals mx plus c because that's what I like to do when I'm doing straight lines. Some of you might have come across the other formula with your research, but this is just a nice simple way for me. So we're going to be putting in minus 1 is equal to 1 times 2 plus c, which means we've got 2, so minus 3 is c. And that bit's done. Now it says write your answer in the format of, well, the form of ax plus by plus c. So if I currently write out what I've got y is equal to 2x minus 3. And all I'm going to do is make it so it's equal to 0. So in this case, I just need to take b over. So oh, sorry, y over, not b. My bad. So we got 2x minus y minus 3. And there it is in that format. It's just the other way around. So if you felt paranoid, you could always write it the other way around. It doesn't make a difference. Minus y minus 3 or 0. There you go. And let's check the mark scheme that I've just written all over. Let's write this up here just so I've got it. Y equals 2x minus 3. 0 equals 2x minus y. So much for doing it quick. Again. Minus y minus 3. And I'm going to just raise that line. There you go. Sorted. Okay, so when x equals 1, y equals minus 1, so that gives us 1 mark. The next one is differentiation, gives us our 2nd mark, and then subbing in when x equals 1 gives us our 3rd mark, which we don't actually see. Does it actually tell us? No, just, oh yeah, it does, but yeah. And then the method, we got a mark for subbing in, which is what I've done by here. And then the last one is, so you get a mark for getting what C is, and then just writing it in some sort of format for the last bit. So it didn't matter which way you had it round, but we've gone with the 2x minus y minus 3 equals 0. And there you go. And that's the end of the paper as well. So well done if you managed to finish it all, and have a go.